This is going to be a banger that you don't want to miss. Hopefully you can smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and smash that subscribe button as well, because I post daily videos. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Derek from the Millionaire Money channel, and I post daily videos on money making tactics online, and I also document my journey on making money online. So I'm going to show you this neat, cool, free PayPal money trick. So you can make $2 per email. So this method is completely free to do, but I will show you a secret method in the end to triple your earnings. This is worldwide. This will require a little bit of work in the beginning to set things all up, but once you do that, you basically have an automated business. This is also free value, so don't miss this excellent opportunity. And just remember, you should take action with this, because 99% of people don't even do this. So let's go to the offer page. So you can come to a website called Offer Vaults. Basically what Offer Vault is it's a marketplace for a bunch of CPA offers, and CPA being cost per action. So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage that and there's some offers where you can get $2 per email, from 0.50 cents per email, all the way up to $3 per email. So what you can do is you could type give away into this, and then you can choose one simple thing. So here is a Xos 1X bundle giveaway. So this is a $2 per CPA. Let's go into the details. So this is freebie lead generation. It's $2 per email. Countries not available. North America. I'm assuming the NA is North America, but I'm not sure. So you can win a free Xbox X bundle, and then you have to put in your email. So once you've selected an offer, what you do is you click join network. You'll go into a sign up page. So what you're going to do here is a partner sign up. What you do is you put your company name, your address, your city, your country, state, zip code, everything, all your details, and then they'll call you later on, and then for just a quick phone call to make sure everything's legitimate. They're not going to drill you or anything. You're not going to be interrogated. At what time did you go sleep? So, but I recommend you should always put in you're very experienced and all that, because they are looking for achievers in their program. I also have another alternative site you can use. It's called Max Bounty. Max Bounty is basically a big CPA marketing offer, but it's very hard to get in. Let me know if you guys want a video how to get in Max Bounty. I haven't gotten in yet, but I will probably if I use my methods. Editor's note: I know how to get into Max Bounty, but I just don't have a website and everything else I need to get in. But let me know if you want a detailed guide, as I said in the video. Enjoy the rest of the video. So once you've got the link, you want to head over to a website called bit.ly. It allows you to track the traffic and everything, where the links are coming from, everything, and then you shorten your link, and then you just shorten your link, and then you can see pretty much every single place where the traffic comes from. So what free traffic source we are going to be using is Instagram. We're going to be using a traffic source called Instagram. It is free. You could create a free account, make it for example, if you have a PayPal giveaway, you could maybe make it like, let's just use me for example, Millionaire Money, and then posts on how to make money online, and then you post every single day, and it will require work, but it will pay off in about a few months or so. Or if you want to use the secret method I'm about to show you to triple your income, it is paid though, so be warned. You could head over to a website called Shoutcard. You can head over to Shoutcard, or what I like to use is, depending on where your offer is. So another website I recommend is influencercard.com. So you could head over here. If you have your Xros 1x giveaway, then head over here and you can see what percentage of who their audience is. So for example, we could go to browse, and then you could type your minimum maximum price. I usually start about at $10 and go up all the way depending on how much their following count is, and yeah. But I'm going to show you how you can get the maximum amount of traffic on your website. So the method I'm going to show you is, let's filter our thing by games and play. Yeah, there we go. If you see, let's look, this one's $50. So what we can do is head over to Instagram, copy their link, copy their @ there we go. Let's check how much of their engagement is there. Yeah, here's Donatello official, and then he's Donatello. Yeah, I don't know, he's Spanish, so he must, let's see who his audience is. They're 29% Mexico, but if your offer is United States, you can view which one is United States. No, this one is a very good page because it's 31% United States. This one as well, this one as well, this one as well, yeah, and this one is India. So let's click on Apex Legends gameplay. They have 1,014 followers, so let's copy that. Apex Legends gameplay. Here we go. Daily post, everything. Let's check their engagement they have. I tend to look for about 10 to 15% engagement. That's a pretty good number. So this one gets 15k views. That's a very good number. And when was this uploaded? It's about 6 hours ago. So this is an active community. So I reckon you should probably, yeah, this is a very good page to promote. Let's see how much this got. 1,000 likes. But remember everyone, story views are much more than just likes. Most people view stories, yeah, you don't have to like anything to get engagement. Post you have to like. And this one has 3,000 likes. This one has 18k views, which is a very good engagement. Let's say 20k viewed their story, so 30% of 20, so about 6k clicks on your link. So the potential audience of your email is about 6,000, because 30% of 20 is 6. So let's say about 10% go through for the email, enter the giveaway, and that's 10% of 6,000 is 600, which is very good. And then they enter the giveaway, and 6,000 times, there is obviously a cap. Most of it you can only do 100 max out per day, so you could potentially earn from the offer we're promoting is about $200 a day just from one offer. And you could do this for multiple offers in multiple niches and then skyrocket your income. So the shout out is about, starts from 20, but what I recommend is get the story one. Time select 24 hours link in bio with bio URL. It will cost you $25, which is a decent investment. But yeah, here's their age range. You can see everything. You can see a bunch of stats. That's why I like this website so much, because The other shout card website, I'm pretty sure, doesn't have that. Let's just see. But Shoutcard is also a very decent platform. It has all the platforms you can think of. It has YouTube, TikTok. Well, it's banned now, but YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, even, yeah, Twitter. That's basically all platforms, but they have much more niches and that, and much more diversity. Hopefully you all did enjoy this short and quick, easy video. I know it wasn't long, but hopefully you learned something and you can maybe implement it in your own business. Hopefully everything goes according to plan and you use my methods. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm and smash that subscribe button, because I upload daily videos for everyone to watch. And also I share with you my personal journey on making money online. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.